You also please make a note. So tomorrow when ICSE student comes, they will make a note. Okay, this sum, it's clubbed between trigonometry and arithmetic progression. Okay, so we need to just copy this properly first. Let us understand what they are asking. What is written here? Tn. Tn means term, nth term. We talk it as an or tn. Nth term. Nth term is written as sine to the power n theta plus cos to the power n theta. You remember when at times they give us nth term and some equation in which in which n will be there and we just put the number n as 1, 2, 3 and just find out the series. You know this or not? You remember those sums we did like just 1 mark or something, like 1 mark ke liye aata hai, right? So this is similar to that. Now this n is nothing else but this, right? So seeing this, if they are asking you the t third term, that is t3 third term, will it be like this? Sine cube theta, I mean sine cube theta plus cos cube theta. Will it be like that? Yes, simple. So sine to the power 5, term 5 will be sine to the power 5 theta plus cos to the power 5 theta. Simple. So seeing this, whatever is given from that, can we find out first of all what this is going to be? Chalo, let us find that out. So that is our RHS. Okay, let us do RHS first and then see what can be done for LHS. Alright. So we'll do this first or this? LHS or RHS? Whatever you say. Okay, chalo, LHS. T term 3 term 5 by T1. So what is my term 3 going to be? Anika, I want you also to write this, please. Go from that side. Okay, first we'll find out T3. T3 is going to be sine cube theta plus cos cube theta by nothing, no by. Let us first do step by step. Then term 5. Term 5 is going to be what? Sine to the power 5 theta plus cos to the power 5 theta. Right? Till here understood? Any doubt? Tanmay? No? Right. Now here T1 is given. What T1 is going to be? Anyone wants to give a try? It's going to be sine theta plus cos theta? Yes? Correct? Done. Shall we put all this, whatever we found out for T3, T5 and T1 in this? In this, shall we put that? This is going to be sine cube plus cos cube minus sine to the power 5 theta plus cos to the power 5 theta. Don't forget this bracket. Don't forget this bracket. Here sine theta plus cos theta. Done till here, done. Now let's open the bracket. It's going to be very easy. The only thing is you need to use the logic. Let's open the bracket. Sine theta, sine cube theta plus cos cube theta minus sine cube theta minus cos to the power 5 theta. Right? Sorry, this is also going to be 5. Okay? Yeah, clear? Sine theta plus cos theta. Till here clear? Okay. Now what I am going to do is, seeing this, anything is clicking in anyone's brain? Anything? Very good. We can take things common. What are we going to take common here? Here this is common between these two. This is common. Sine plus cos, if you take common, you will again land up here only. Okay, so it's not going to work out. We can't do that because we don't have any numbers to subtract and these are all exponents. So it's not possible. So what we can do is, let us first write sine cube minus what? We can't. They should be same powers. Then only we can subtract. They are not like terms to subtract, right? Now sine cube and sine to the power 5. We can write together. Done? Let us do that and see what is going to happen. Sin cube minus sin power 5 theta. I am using other color. Okay. Now this is cos cube minus cos to the power 5 theta. Right? Can we do this? We can, right? Na? Can we do this? And the denominator remains the same. Okay? Now in this sin cube and cos to the sin to the power 5, can I take sin square outside? No, I can take sin power cube itself outside. And inside I get 1 minus sin square theta. Can I do that? Yes. Now life becomes easy. Plus here, I'll take cos cube outside and inside I'll get 1 minus cos square theta. Did I get this? By the same thing. Sin theta plus cos theta. Right? What am I going to write this as? 1 minus sin square theta is going to give you what?
Cos square theta.
Very good. So I am erasing it here. I am little lazy here. What am I going to get here?
Cos square theta.
Very good. I will get cos square theta. And this, what is it going to become? Sin square theta. Right or not? Yes, you all got this? Now, anyone? Yes, Sharanya? Anything can come out common now in this? May I erase this?
Yes.
Can I write this as sin square theta into cos square theta common? See here, इसके पास sin square theta. Here it is sin square theta. Here also cos square theta. Here cos cube theta. So I'll write inside. Here one sin theta will remain. From here, see here, this side it will be one cos theta. Okay? And denominator I have what? Sin theta plus cos theta. What are we left with? So my LHS is left with what? Sin square theta into cos square theta. It has any relation with this? No. That means what the sum is asking you to do? Sum is asking you to solve RHS also. The way we did LHS, sum is asking us to solve RHS also. Understood, Shreya? Anika? Done. So please keep this LHS aside. Yes.
Now we should do LHS equal to RHS.
Yes, but then first we got LHS. Now we have to find the similar way RHS also. And let us see how it works out. So what was our LHS?
Square theta into cos square theta.
Now RHS. RHS में डायरेक्ट लिखती हूँ अभी now sin 5 theta plus cos power 5 theta minus sin power 7 theta. I am not putting the bracket, using minus here directly. Cos 7 power theta by sin cube theta plus cos cube theta. Anyone wants to give a try? Anyone wants to give a try? No? What are we going to do? Again write this together. If you write this together, what will you get? Sin to the power 5 minus sin to the power 7 theta plus cos to the power 5 theta minus cos to the power 7 theta. Yes or no? Whole thing is by sin cube theta plus cos cube theta. Right? Now, what will come common here? Anything can come out? Sin cube. Sure? Are you sure, Sharanya?
Sin power 4 minus.
What will come out? Sin to the power 5. 1 minus sin square theta. We need to make sure that we get this because this is a trump card. Yes, denominator remains the same, that is sin cube theta plus cos cube theta. Easy? Yes, now what will happen to this? What will happen to this? This will become cos square theta. This will become sin square theta. Right? What will happen here? Sin power 5 theta into cos square theta plus cos to the power 5 theta into sin square theta. Whole thing by sin cube theta plus cos cube theta. Easy? Now, what's going to come out common here? Sin square theta into cos square theta. Bracket will give you sin cube theta plus cos cube theta. भाई ये ब्रैकेट तो हमको इधर कैंसिल करने के लिए आ गया. So this is going to lead us to an end of our sum, which is going to be LHS. Therefore, RHS is also equals to LHS. Hence, proved. Yeah, easy.
Yes.
Any doubt? Shreya, Anika. So tomorrow, you guys are going to explain this. Okay? Now a very simple sum which can come for 1 mark MCQ. Okay, you guys might leave that. No, not this. Another next sum. Pratham, I'll write. You record it. Done?
No, ma'am.
3 lines only, Nana. See now, they gave a cos cube plus 3a cos into sin square equals to m, and they gave this and asking us to prove that m plus n plus m minus n is going to give you this. Okay, that means we need to add this. It should click in your brain because we don't have value for m plus n. They gave us separately m and they gave us n. So what should I do? 5 mark question this is. What should I do? Okay, don't leave it. They are asking us to add this. Minimum expectation from you is you need to add this. Subtract this because they are asking us to do it. The answer is hidden in the question itself. Very easy. M plus n. What is m plus n going to be? Tell me. Anyone here? A cos cube theta plus 3a cos theta into sin square theta plus a sin cube theta plus 3a sin theta into cos square theta. Right? This is my m plus n. Minimum you do this much. Minimum. Yes, you will get marks. At least you use the logic. You understood the clue which was hidden in the question itself. Please minimum do this much. After that maximum do the whole sum. I'll explain. Done? Wrote till here? Can anyone say what is it looking like? What is it looking like?
Whole cube.
Yes, it is having a here, a here, a here and a here. Can I remove a outside common? And if I write this cos cube a, which is my a cube, please see this properly. I am writing every step. 3 cos into sin square theta this, okay, I take it as x cube, okay, x cube plus 3xy square plus sine cube theta plus 3 sine theta into cos square theta. This is my y cube, this is my 3 y, sorry, x square y or y square x. However, is this the formula for x plus y whole cube? Remember last year's factorization chapter? Yes, formulas? Easy? So it is very easy now. That much big railway train which is written here, it will concise into a small passenger train. It's going to be a cos theta, that is, cos theta plus sine theta whole cube. हो गया. And what is this? This is my m plus n. Over, done. Only m plus n. Now Sharanya will jump and do the next part. Yes, Sharanya?
Please cancel.
What?
The 1 cube and the 2 by 3.
Nothing will cancel now. See, now here m minus n. M minus n, they are asking us to put minus. So it's very simple. Listen this. It's very simple. This is going to come as it is. This till here all the terms going to come as it is when it is m minus n. From here signs are going to change. When signs are changing, here the formula also changes. This is going to change here and this will become minus. Itna hi hai. Anything else is there? Done. This is my m minus n. Simple. यार मैम बहुत लेजी है, फटाफट इधर से उधर इरेज किया यार, हमको तो पूरा लिखना पड़ता है, राइट? Easy? Now, what did they ask us to do? They asked us to do the previous. Now I'll have to write everything. The previous, that is a cos theta plus sine theta whole cube 2 by 3. M plus n we found out. We have to do 2 by 3 plus a cos theta minus sine theta whole cube 2 by 3. Right? They asked us to do this. Now what did I do? You know, I took this off. So what am I left with? A to the power 2 by 3 cos theta plus sine theta whole square plus here a to the power 2 by 3 cos theta minus sine theta whole square. Easy? What will I do with that now? Just 2 more lines left. Anyone completed before me? Now what will happen? We'll open the bracket. A to the power 2 by 3. Can I write this common? Because here also a to the power 2 by 3. Here also a to the power 2 by 3. We'll take common. So what will come? Inside cos theta, that is square, plus sine square theta. I am opening the bracket. Plus 2 cos theta into sine theta. Now in between plus is there, so I just put a plus mark. A to the power 2 by 3 is already taken outside. So I am just supposed to attend this cos square theta plus sine square theta. Open the next bracket. Minus 2 cos theta into sine theta. What will get cancelled? This whole thing will get cancelled. What will this leave to? 1. What will this leave to? 1. And 1 plus 1 is how much? 2. A to the power 2 by 3, which is hence proved. Done? Simple? Was it a rocket science? No, yaar. Easy tha.
Because the sec square theta.
A क्या करेंगे? Here A also take here ना. So let us make the values first. Okay, you are right partially. So it's like x equals to a sec theta into cos phi. Can I write this a भाई साहब को नीचे? Can I write him down? So will it become x by a? It is appearing little bit like this. Yes, Sharanya. Sec theta cos phi. So did I get this? What is square of x by a going to be? Will it be sec theta, sec square theta into cos square phi? Can I do the same for all others? Can anyone do for me fast? Understood? Tanmay?
Yes, ma'am.
Anika?
Yes, ma'am.
Soumya? Is there anything left in this sum to do now?
We are squaring on both sides.
Why should I square on both sides? This x by a is nothing else but sec theta into cos phi. They asked us to substitute in this x square by a square. So x square by a square is nothing else but sec square plus into cos phi, cos square phi, right? Not followed? What was there? X by a is equals to sec theta into cos phi, right, Sharanya? This till here understood? They want what? X square, a square. That is whole square of this fraction. If I am squaring on this side, I have to square here also. So we have to, yeah. And then just substitute. It is like m plus n sum. We have to make this like this and then just substitute. What you didn't this one you understood what you got x equals to a. We'll do this again. I thought after doing m plus n sum this is easy actually. Only 3 steps, right, in this sum. No problem. We'll do it again. What is written? X is equals to a sec theta into cos phi. This is all multiplication, so without any hassle I can write this as x by a equals to sec theta into cos phi. They are asking x by a or they are asking x square by a square. So SOB, right, will give me what? X by a whole square equals to sec theta into cos phi whole square. Will this give me x square by a square value? Similarly, I will get this z by c, that is z square by c square equals to tan square theta. Similarly, I will be getting y square by b square as sec square theta into sin square theta. Yes or no? Easy? So then, after getting all these values, what will we do? We'll just substitute in this format. Like how they asked us for m by m plus n power 2 by 3. So in this place what will I write? Sec square theta into cos square phi, right? In this place what will I write? Y by b. This square plus
square phi
into sin square phi. And minus what will come? Tan square theta. Till here fine? Understood nicely? Now here see this and this is common. So can I remove it outside and write cos square phi plus sin square phi minus tan square as it is. हिलाया ही नहीं है उसको तो. So this as it is I am writing here, but this is 1 minus tan square theta, sorry, yeah, theta. So this is sec square theta minus tan square theta. This is equals to 1. This is equals to RHS and hence proof. खत्म हो गई कहानी. Was it difficult?